If I used to like not get something, I would just give up. I would just leave it, give up, abandon it. I didn't have any resources for anywhere to go.
What I love most about VentureLab is that we're teaching kids what they're not always learning in the classroom.
We don't, in general, don't give kids enough credit for what they can do at what age they can do it at. And if you put it into their realm and their world, I think that they can do a lot more than we ask of them in school in a more meaningful way.
Even throughout college, it's all about theory and very little about practice. And I think this curriculum does exactly that. It starts teaching kids at an early age, here's what you've learned about science or math, and here's how you can apply it to, one, create a solution to a problem that exists.
When they do something that they just didn't ever see themselves doing before, it absolutely changes not just the way they feel about themselves, but the way they feel about what they're capable of doing and how they're capable of shaping the world.
People always say that kids are the smartest, that they haven't been affected by the world and they haven't had their expectations or their aspirations tempered by the world. Their minds are already thinking. It's that we're not listening and we haven't created avenues for us to hear them.
In a world where technology is constantly evolving, 65% of our kids in elementary school today will have careers that we can't even imagine. I mean, who knows how artificial intelligence is going to change the future? So entrepreneurship education is really transformational for kids because it gives them the confidence to seek out opportunities, to not be afraid to try and fail, and to go out and create their own career paths and their own futures.
I think so many people, when they're in their careers, they're so afraid of failure that they don't try. By giving our students the opportunity to fail safely and to make good decisions after they fail, it's preparing them to not be terrified of something new.
The skill sets behind entrepreneurship are the skill sets behind an effective life and being an effective member of our community and society. There is nothing more important that we could teach.
My kids were fortunate enough to go through the first cohort of students 10 years ago, and the skills that they learned helped them with their confidence, their growth mindset, and they're going to serve them well for the rest of their lives.
It's just amazing to think that everything they're capable of over the next course of their life, they'll be able to take some of these skills.
It made me feel powerful. I could just take on the world now. Like it really did make me feel super powerful. And I'm glad that I joined.